Good morning, students. Welcome again in the 11th English elective class for 11th Humanities. In the previous videos, we have read about letter writing, which is a part of writing section in English elective. It consists of 8 marks. That also I have discussed with you, and the word limit for it is 100 to 150 words. Students, along with that, we have also read that there are two kinds of letter. One is formal one and second one is informal. Formal letters have a specific format by following which you can get the relevant marks. Okay. Then informal letters are not in your syllabus, so there is no need to go with them. Now, we have also read that formal letters are of mainly 4 types. One is letter to editor, second is business letter, third one is official letters, and last one is job applications, means application letters for application. Okay, so today first of all we will go with the letter to the editor. So format we had discussed in the previous video. Now we will discuss the sample letter of letter to editor. So the question for that is, you are Varsha or Varun, write a letter to the editor of a newspaper complaining about the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area. Okay, means your name is given here, means sender's name is given here, but no address is given. Okay, so this name you will be writing in the end of the letter, where yours truly or yours faithfully you will write. Okay, then to the editor of a newspaper, means no name of newspaper is given, you can write any name of the newspaper here. Okay, now you just see many a times what you used to do is, suppose you are in your exam notebook, your one of the answer gets finished here and you find remaining space, that this space is remaining, and you begin your letter from here, but this is wrong. So you are suggested that don't begin your letter from here. I have written this just to tell you that you don't, so that you can not do the same mistake. Okay, you have to begin the letter from the fresh page. From the fresh page we will begin our letter. As in the question, no address was given, so you won't write the address, you will just write examination hall. There is no need to write any address by your own or your own address. There is no need to write that, otherwise your marks will get deducted. Okay, then after leaving one line you will write date. What is the date today? Today is 20th of April 2020. Okay, then again leave one line, and the editor and name of newspaper was not given. It was been asked us that we have to write the letter to the editor, therefore we have written here the editor, and the name of newspaper is not given, therefore we will write any name of the newspaper. Here I have written Indian Express. Okay, Indian Express, Delhi. Okay, after the receiver's address we will again leave one line, then we will write the salutation. Salutation means the word by which we will address the receiver. Okay, means sir. And here one more thing you might have noticed, that no commas are being used here. Okay, only after the sender's address we have left one line, after date again we have left one line, and after the receiver's address we have left one line, then again after salutation we will be leaving one line, but no commas are used here. This we have to keep in our mind. After subject salutation we will be leaving one line, and then we will write the subject. So what will be the subject? That is given in the question itself, that irregular and inadequate bus service. This was the subject in the question. So in the first paragraph, which is called the introductory paragraph, we will be writing, through the column of your esteemed daily, I wish to draw attention of the transport authorities towards the hardships that the residents of the sector 30 have been experiencing on account of the inadequate bus service. Okay, here you have not discussed that what sort of problem they are facing. Here you have, in the introduction, you have just introduced that they are facing some problem regarding bus services. Okay, now in the second paragraph, means where here you will discuss the problem in brief, plus you will tell the causes of the problem, and then we will discuss the causes of the problem and the inconvenience which the residents of that particular area are facing. Okay, see, every morning a large number of people take bus at the main bus stop of this area to reach their workplace. Means in the morning, students used to go to their school, working people used to go to their offices, at their workplace. So everyone requires some means of transport to go. Therefore, here we have written, means to reach to their workplace. Besides, there are a large number of students who travel on buses to reach their respective schools and colleges. Okay, but the existing bus service is far from meeting the requirements of the public. Okay, means the present bus service is not able to fulfill the requirement of the public. Okay, now in the third paragraph, we will discuss, as I have told you while discussing the format, that in 3 or 4 paragraphs we can write the letter. So in the third paragraph, we will tell most of the buses that touch this spot are packed with passenger. Means what is the actual situation, why this bus service is not able to fulfill the needs of the travelers. Passengers from other areas, by the time they reach sector 30 or they reach our destination, we can also write bus stop. Okay, so what is the after effect of that? So they can accommodate very few passengers, as the seats are not available. Therefore, the buses are not able to accommodate much passengers at this bus stop. Okay, so in the last paragraph, we will discuss why we have written this letter to the editor. So the concluding paragraph, we will conclude with the solution also. Means how can we solve the problem? The situation becomes worse at the peak hours. Okay, peak hours means when the people are going towards their workplace, means when many of the people are going towards their workplace, students are going towards their schools and colleges, when most of the buses do not even stop. Okay, here, and as a result, people reach late at their designated places. The authorities are requested to introduce new bus services to start from this area. Okay, as it will be great help for the public. So what suggestion we have given? Means the authorities should provide new bus service for this particular area. And what we expect from the editor, why we have written, means editor is not going to provide any bus to this area people, but why we have written to the editor? So that I hope you will publish my issue in your esteemed newspaper and bring this serious problem to the authorities' attention. Okay, so that the authorities will get attentive and they will try to solve the problem. Then after leaving one line, we will write thanking you. T will be capital and Y will be smaller. Then again, yours faithfully, Y will be capital and F will be small. Then signature, as you are not Varun and Varsha, so there is no need to sign here. You just write Varsha or Varun and concerned citizen. So that is your letter to the